destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requests. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take Swiflearn academic test series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all these practice tests are subjective as well as objective in nature for your school examinations. So students, those on you, book a free trial class today. Also subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I am Shashank Sir, and today I am going to teach you the topic circles. It is for ICSE Class 6. Yes. So today's learning objectives will be we are going to learn about the circle, few parameters such as radius, diameter, chord, circumference, and a semicircle. So all these things we are going to learn in our today's class. So yes, good morning everyone. I'd like to know your names, those who are seeing this stream. We have Ankrit Rai. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. I'm glad you asked. Yes, Ankrit, right? Your name is Ankrit, right? Yes. So let's start today with the class. Okay, today's class. So the tire, okay, the circus wheel, the dartboard. Is there any similarity between these objects? All the three objects? Yes, they are circular in nature. Okay, this is the similarity. They are all circle. Now, what is a circle? I can say this is a circle, but not this. Why, sir? Why is the question? Ankrit, can you tell me why this is a circle, the left side figure, and the figure on the right side? It's not. Okay. First of all, a circle is a geometrical figure which is equidistant from a point known as center. Okay, so if this is a circle, all the distance, any distance from the circle touching the circle are same, and this distance is known as the radius. Yes, here we don't have a center, and even if you try to manage to draw a center, the distance when you measure, they are not equal. So this is not a circle. By the definition, this is not a circle, and the left side figure is. Yes. Now let's study about them more. Okay, let's know them more better. A circle is a round shaped figure that has no corner and edges. As in the case of square and rectangle, they have having corner edges. Here circle is not having any corner, it is not having any edges. All the points on the circle are at same distance from the center point. Yes, this we discussed. Real life examples of circles are clock. सर हमारे घर में स्क्वायर क्लॉक है. ओके यस, डायल जो अंदर है, द नंबर जो लिखे हैं, ओके वो सर्कुलर है, कभी कभी लिखते हैं बट इट्स ओके. सो द पिज्जा फ्लेवर, सर पिज्जा कहाँ राउंड होता है, अलग ही शेप होता है, चपाती भी अलग शेप होता है. ओके, so we can assume it to be a circle. Wheels are circles and lot many objects here. Bangles are circles. Okay, so lot many objects are circles. Yes. Now the terminology center of a circle. O point O here is the center of the circle. Now how to define the center? Okay, yes. O is the center of the circle, the fixed point in a plane which is equidistant from every point on the boundary of the circle is known as the center of the circle. Ankrit is telling, sir, plate is an example. Sahi bole, plate is an example. Okay, some water bottle caps like this. Okay, this is also a circle. So many objects are there in real life which are circles. Right? Okay. Now, radius of the circle. What is a radius? The distance between the represented by the letter R, the distance between the center and any point on the circle is known as radius. Okay, the fixed distance between the center and any point on the circle is called radius of the circle. OA is equal to OB is equal to R, diameter of the circle. Okay, radius क्या है? Distance between center and any point on the circle. Okay, so diameter of the circle define करने से पहले we should understand what is a chord. Okay, chord is a line segment which touches any 2 points on the circle. This is a chord. Let me draw it with another figure. Okay, so XY is a chord. Okay, RSST is a chord which touches any 2 point on the circle. This is a chord. Now see what is a diameter. Diameter, a chord that passes through the center of the circle is called diameter, represented by D. AB is a diameter, CD is a diameter. You understood what is a chord first, which touches any 2 point on the circle. Now, if this chord passes through the center of the circle, that special chord is known as diameter or diameter. Got this? Understood? Yes. Okay. Now, relation between diameter and radius. Now, what is radius? Radius is distance between center and any point on the circle. This is R. Okay, distance between the center and any point of the circle. This is also R. R plus R is 2R, but this is also a diameter. So diameter D, okay, is nothing but 2 times the radius of the circle. This is the relation between diameter and the radius of the circle. Chord of a circle. We already discussed chord. So a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called chord of the circle. PQ is the chord of the circle. How long do you think the red line is? Now, this is a circle. Assume you have a thread, you have traced it, you have made a circle using a thread. Now, if you slit this, okay, if you slit this and you stretch it, you get a line. Now, how much is the distance of this? What terminology do we use to say this? To describe this, this is known as circumference of the circle, or the boundary length of the circle, or the perimeter of the circle. Okay, the most common and the proper word used is circumference of the circle. And how long do you think this is? Okay, the boundary of the circular region is called circumference. Okay, the distance around the circle is called the circumference. Circumference of the circle is also the perimeter of the circle. Yes, and how much is this? So this is equal to, I don't know whether you have this or not. I'll tell you, the circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius. Sir, ये pi क्या है sir? Okay, pi is a constant. So its approximate value is 22 by 7. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Okay. Now the about pi and all we will learn more about it. Don't worry. So distance around the circle is called circumference. This is over. Yes. Moving on. Arc of a circle. क्या है sir? What is an arc? आर्क रिएक्टर कहाँ देखे हो? आयरन मैन का मूवी में वो आर्क रिएक्टर अलग है. अच्छा, what is this arc? The curved line AB or BA is an arc of a circle. Good morning, Satvik, good morning, good to have you here. So yes, what is an arc? Arc is a part of the circumference. Okay, so if it is the small arc, it is called as minor arc, and the remaining part, okay, it is called the major arc. Okay, so yes, interior and exterior of a circle. The point O, देखो point O is inside the circle, so it is interior point of a circle. सर इसको सेंटर होना है क्या? नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. Even if it is somewhere else, but all it matters is it should be inside. Point Z is also interior point of the circle. Yes, So what is the meaning of arc? Antarikt is asking. Yes. देखो, you know what is a circumference of a circle or boundary line of a circle? This is a circle. Now, you take a portion of the circle. Let's say this point is A, let's say this point is B. This any portion of the circle, okay, is known as an arc. Arc is the region or the distance between arc is distance between any point, 2 point on the circle in the circular order. Okay, not this. It will become a chord. Okay, the circular part जो भी curved part है that is called as an arc. इसको बोलते हैं हम arc. Okay, yes. The curved line, okay, between any 2 points on the circumference is an arc. Ankrit, you got this? Yes. Now interior points हम लोग बोल रहे थे point O is the interior point. Okay, let me lose this pointer. It is lagging a lot. Yes. Any point inside the circle, say O, Z, say X, they are interior points. Okay, and point A and point B are on the circle. Acha, you see, this red is a circle. I thought the ring is the circle. The red region is circle. Okay, so point A is on the circle, point C is on the circle, point F is on the circle. Any point outside the circle is known as exterior point, such as point B is outside the circle, point E is outside the circle, point G is also outside the circle, point H is also outside the circle. सर्कल के इनसाइड है इंटीरियर पॉइंट, सर्कल के बाहर है एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट, सर्कल के ऊपर है ऑन द सर्कल. Got this? Yes. Now let's solve this. Okay, read the question, guys. The center of a circle is at point O and its radius is 8 centimeter. State the position of a point P. Point P may lie inside the circle, on the circumference of the circle, or outside the circle. Well, अच्छा देखो, there is a point O which is the center of the circle and there is a circle of radius 8. What do we call it outside the circle? It is called outside the point outside the circle. Okay, three cases hai. Point can be inside the circle, on the circle, outside the circle. Now see this question kya puche hai Ankrit. They have asked, there is a circle of radius 8. Okay, now O is the center of the circle. Point P, if the point distance between OP is 10.6. Okay, distance between OP is 10.6. Obviously radius is 8, तो ये radius के बाहर जाएगा. This is outside the circle. OP is equal to 6.8. Radius is 8. अगर point P अंदर है, so it is 6.8. So it is inside the circle and this is on the circle. Got this? Understood with this? Yes. Critical thinking. Why manhole cover is round or in circular shape? Okay, you know what? Like why this is circular in shape? अगर ये square होता, okay, अगर इसका ढक्कन ठीक से बंद नहीं करते हैं, ऐसा डाल दिए कोई तो आदमी गिर सकता है and all. Like there are some reasons. This may be the reasons. Let us see. Let us check. Okay, a round shape manhole is cover is easily moved and rolled. Yes, round है तो उसको घुमा सकते हैं. It is very heavy, so it can be rolled. A round manhole cannot fall through the circular opening. That's what I said. अगर circular opening है तो गिर नहीं सकता. Square है तो वो बैठ सकता है, गिर सकता है. Okay, so whereas a square manhole could fall in if it is inserted diagonally. देखो, if it is inserted diagonally, it may fall. So secant. What is a secant? A straight line intersecting circles at two points which is extended in one or both directions is known as secant. Okay. See, chord और secant का difference देख लो. I'll tell you. Chord is a line segment joining two points. Line segment means it has ends. ये line segment है. ओके, या सेगमेंट बोल सकते हैं, इसको बोलते हैं लाइन. इफ अ लाइन इज इंटरसेक्टिंग टू पॉइंट्स ऑन अ सर्कल, इट इज कॉल्ड एज सीकेंट. इफ a chord, if a line segment is intersecting two points on the circle which cannot be extended, it is called as a chord. Yes, this is the difference between secant and a chord. पूछते हैं, मुझे भी पूछे थे. Yes. What about a tangent? A straight line. Secant is touching two points on a circle. Secant is touching two points on a circle. What about the tangent? Tangent is touching one and only one point on the circle. Okay, a line segment which touches or intersects only one point on a circle is known as a tangent. A straight line touching a circle at one point only is called tangent to the circle. Tangent of the circle. Yes, now main terminology, sector of a circle. ओके, सेक्टर देख के क्या याद आ रहा है? ये येलो पीस देख के क्या याद आ रहा है? सर हमको पिज्जा याद आ रहा है सर, लॉकडाउन के वजह से. ओके, हम गए नहीं हैं बहुत बाहर. ओके, सो यस, सो अंकृत इज आस्किंग सर कैन यू गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अ टेंजेंट. ओके, देखो यहाँ पे example of tangents, like कहाँ use होता है, like what you are asking I'm not clear, can you elaborate what you ask? See, tangent is a line segment which only intersects circle at one point. Okay, so this is the point. If you take, so draw a line which intersects only one point, that is a tangent. समझे? Yes, if it is intersecting more than one point, it is called as secant. This is a tangent. Got this, Antrik? Yes. Now, sector of a circle. A part of a circle enclosed by an arc and two radii is known as a sector. By an arc and two radii. Sir, इसका opposite वो भी हो सकता है. Yes. This is also an arc and these are two radii, so these are sectors. The one which is big is major sector and the one which is small is minor sector. Yes, so these are major and minor sector. Sector क्या है? Part of a circle enclosed between the arc and two radii is known as sector of a circle. Now, segment, major segment and minor segment. Okay, देखो यहाँ पे क्या है segment. Can you see this portion, the one which I have shaded? Okay, ये वाला portion, that is known as a segment. The small one is known as minor segment and the large one is known as major segment. Now, how to define segment? It is a part of a circle or the region between the chord and arc of a circle. The part of a circular region enclosed by an arc and the chord joining the end arcs is known as segment of the circle. Now, minor segment and major segment. See here, if I join AB, the region between OAB, this whole thing, it is an sector. And sector से अगर मैं ये triangular region हटा दूं, if I remove the triangular region, Okay, whatever the remaining part is there, the shaded part, that is a segment. You got this? Sector minus the triangular part, you get segment. Yes. And the smaller one is minor segment, the larger one is major segment. What is a semicircle? Half circle is known as semicircle. Okay. Now you draw a circle. You can draw like this also. Now you cut the half of the circle. Okay. It's not exactly half. Yes. Now it is. ये जो दिख रहा है, it is semicircle. The one which I have drawn here, semicircle. Okay, half circle is known as semicircle. A diameter divides the circle into two semicircles. Okay, अगर मैंने ये diameter draw कर दिया, you get two circles. उसको separate कर दो. Each part is a semicircle. Okay, the semicircle is half of the circle which has diameter as a part of boundary of a semicircle. देखो ये diameter है. It is a boundary of the, this part is boundary of a semicircle, this part. Okay, yes, this is a semicircle. Okay, this is somewhat confusing, don't follow this. The one which I showed you, follow that. If you want, I'll teach you again, guys. देखो यहाँ पे कोई बात नहीं. Okay, very easy concept. Draw a circle. Okay, draw any diameter. चलो, I'm going to draw this. Okay, now split it. समझो ये पेपर में ड्रॉ किए हो. Cut the sheet along the diameter. Sir, ये Japanese flag दिख रहा है without the dash. Okay, now what do you get? Okay, you get two equal shapes. This equal shapes are known as semicircle. कैसा दिखता है semicircle? देखो, I'll draw one semicircle and I'll show you. Okay, let's look like this. This is a semicircle. The other part is same as this. That is a semicircle. Okay, let's solve some questions now. बहुत हो गया पढ़ाई. Half circle, yes, Ankrit. Half circle is a semicircle. देखो यहाँ पे. Let's solve this in the figure. Find the number and names of tangents and secant. What is a tangent? Tangent is a line segment which touches only one point on the circle. ये देखो, only one. Okay, so this is a tangent. Okay, so मैं यहाँ पे लिखूंगा tangent. Okay, TGT, or let me write the spelling. Tangent. Okay, and I'll write secants. Yes. So PQ is a tangent. It is touching only one point at D on the circle. AC is also a tangent, which is touching only one point B on the circle. Okay, whereas GY is a secant. It is a line. It is a line which is intersecting the circle at two distinct points R and B. So this is a secant. What about YX or XY? It is also a secant, a line which is intersecting circle at two distinct points Z and S. So ये tangent है, ये secant है. You got this, guys? Understood what is a tangent? What is a secant? Yes. Now let's solve this. Identify the number and name of the chords and the tangents. Okay, chords and tangents. So what is a chord? Chord is a line segment. Okay, line matlab can be extended both the sides. Segment is fixed. Okay, like segment. Okay, sorry, I mean to say chord. Chord. I don't know whether I said it right. Chords are made up of segments. Okay, and secants are made up of lines. Okay, so RB, it has a fixed length, we cannot extend it in both sides, so it has two distinct points on the circle. So RB is a chord. Okay, is QD a chord? Yes, QD is a diameter. Diameter is also a chord. Okay, diameter is the largest chord. Chord means it should have 2 points on the circle, and the line joining these 2 points is a chord. Okay, now tangents, we have only one tangent, which is AY, which is intersecting at C. Sir, OP क्या है sir? OP is a radius. It is neither chord, it is neither tangent, it is a radius. Sir, it is intersecting 1 point. 1 point to क्या हुआ? Okay, the other point is inside. Okay, that cannot be a tangent. Okay, and at least if it would have intersected some other where else, it would have been a chord. Okay, that's just a radius. Now let's solve this. From the figure, identify the center of the circle. The center of the circle is O. This is the center of the circle. 3 radii. Okay, singular is radii, plural is radius. So OB is a radii. Okay, OA is also a radius, and OC is also a radius. Distance between center and any point on the circle is a radius. Now, Ankrit, point P, is it on a circle? Radius is the distance between center and the point on the circle. This is not in the on the circle. So OP is not a radius. You get this? Diameter. Diameter is the largest chord passing through the center. I can only see one such line, which is AC. See, AC is a chord line like joining 2 points on a circle passing through the center. And chord, AC is also a chord, diameter is also a chord, largest chord, and ED is also a chord. Got this? Yes. CA is the diameter, right, Ankrit? Yes. Ankrit, by the way, where are you from? Is your name Ankrit or something else? Let me know this. कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? Okay. Say true or false. This is for Ankrit and his friends. Okay. So, Ankrit, two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. If you consider any two diameters in a circle, will they intersect? Intersect means टकरा जाएंगे? Yes, definitely the answer is true. So draw a circle, draw any two diameters, they will definitely intersect at the center. From Darjeeling? Okay, nice, nice, nice. Good to know that, Ankarit. Ankarit, and in which standard are you studying in? Yes. True, Ankarit बोल रहा है true, तो obviously true ही होगा. What about this, Ankarit? What is the answer for this? The center of a circle is always in its interior. Center बाहर हो सकता है? Like ऐसा हो सकता है ये सर्कल है उसका सेंटर बाहर है? Is it true? Is it false? The center of a circle is always in its interior, and the answer is true. Okay, yes, good to know, Ankrit. Yes. Okay, now one last thing. Let's play this quiz and we'll finish this class here. Okay, so if the questions are small, I'll read it to you, Ankrit. So, which of the following is false? Okay, so which of the following statement is false? Two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. It is true. Every diameter of a circle is a chord. It is also true. The center of a circle always in its interior. It is also true. Every chord of a circle is also a diameter. This is false. Yes, this is false. Okay, next button कहाँ है इसका? Yes, next button यहाँ पे है. Okay, and how to check? You need to check it at the last. I don't know this how this will work. Okay, the region bounded by the chord and the minor arc is known as segment. Okay, the number of arcs made by the chord on a circle is number of arc. The number of arcs made by chord on a circle is 4. I don't know, like we can make many arcs. Like why this question is asked. Number of arcs made by a chord. Acha, made by a chord on a circle is 2. After drawing a chord, you get two arcs, right? Major arc and minor arc. This is a circle. Draw a chord. You get two arcs, major arc and minor arc. So 2 is the answer. I don't know whether we are doing this like we need to check one by one or we need to check at the end. पता नहीं है. Let's see this. I'm going to click next. If I click previous, will it be selected? Yes, it has been selected. Okay. Okay. Which of the following statement is correct? Can you name this? A sector is a region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc on one side and pair of radius on the other two sides. Yes, this is true. A segment of a circle is the region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc and a chord. Yes, this is also true. So, which of the following statement is correct? Both 1 and 2. Yes, show answers. Are you done and do you want to show? Yes. Score is 3 out of 4. कौन सा गलत हो गया भाई? ओके, लेट अस चेक दिस. क्या हमने कुछ गलत कर दिया? द रीजन. अच्छा, सेगमेंट एस ई, like did we write? Okay, okay, the region bounded by the chord and minor arc. I forgot to read the word minor. अभी इतना छोटा है, इतना माइनर कि वो माइनर का स्पेलिंग मैंने देखी नहीं, मैंने नहीं देखा. बिटवीन द कॉर्ड एंड आर कितना ही सुना मैं. सो यस, इट इज अ माइनर सेगमेंट. आई फॉरगॉट टू रीड द वर्ड माइनर. ओके, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. यस, सो दैट्स अ गुड स्कोर. So yes guys, so what did we learn today? What did we learn? Today we learned about the circle, radius and diameters, arc of a circle, circumference, semicircle, major sector, segment, all these things, so many things we studied today, right? So that's all for today. Okay. So also we studied sector of a circle, segment of a circle, tangents, interior and exterior of a circle. Okay. So that's all for today. I'm Shashank Sir signing off. So if you are new, I hope Ankrit, you have subscribed our channel, hit the bell icon, you will never miss any update. So I'll be teaching from 11 to 12. Okay. So who is the star kid of the session? Ankrit, it's you only. You have answered so many questions, right? So you are the star of our today's class. So I hope you have subscribed our channel. So stay tuned for more upcoming classes. So that's all for today then. Bye bye.